take a step behind the line. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go.
2607, getting mobility, crossing the line, getting in a view, and 103 balancing, docking engaged on the red charge station. 484, going for that cone, let's see if they get it. Alright, starting from teleoperated period, 1676 going, sprinting to the middle of the field, going for that cone, they get it, they're going to bring that back. 484 in the blue feeder station, getting one of those inverted key cones, and they can bring that back, score in their community. 1676, stealing another cone from the blue side of the field so they can quickly cycle that back to their community to score some extra points. 433 grabs a cube, so they're going to be bringing that most likely to the hybrid station to score some more points for the Red Alliance. 103 in the red feeder station picks up a cube, sprinting to the other side of the field. They're going to be scoring that low mid to a hybrid to score some extra, a link and some extra points. 316 now up and about, gets to a cone, which they are going high or mid. Making sure they get out of the way, going out of their community with the last part of the 484 Robo Force. 316 going back to the human player station to grab some cubes. Bringing back to the community. 1676, picking up a cone from the double substation. 433. 316 tries to steal cone cube from 433 on the ground. 44 and 316 in the human player station, getting some extra game pieces. They can continue their scoring. 30 seconds left, so they're ending 77 to 87, favoring the Blue Lions. Now, robots are going to start thinking about balancing on those charge stations so they can get those extra endgame points. Just a couple final cycles here from the Blue Lions. Maybe we'll see those forks come out on 316 so they can balance at the last possible moment. Got a double balance on the red side. We'll see if blue side can get it. Oh, so good.